Welcome to Nick's Tesla Life.
Hey everyone, just got a new toy, the Tesla wall connector. Going to open it up and check it out. So I got another new toy, my GoPro. My kids got it for my 60th birthday, and I'm going to start using it for my recordings. So let's try it out. GoPro, start recording. Cool. So this is the Tesla wall connector, and I got it as another referral award. It came in, the box looks a little messed up here, almost like it's used. I don't know who taped it like that. I wonder if the delivery company had to tape it up, or it was shipped like this. So we'll open it up. This thing is really pretty messed up. So let's see, I guess we can open it down here. It's wet. Jeez. So here we go. Looks like this is some kind of mounting plate. Some connectors. Another mounting plate, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this looks like the main mounting plate. Look at how thick those wires are. We're talking serious. I think it's 50 amp, I believe. So this is the main unit. You can see the cable. I wonder if it's thicker than the normal cable. I'll try to compare the two. This is the main. Wow, this is heavy. Oh wow, it is the Signature version. They said that they were out of the Signature version and they were going to just send me a regular one, which I agreed to just to get this, but looks like they found a Signature version for me, which is cool. And wow, it's really heavy. It's built solid. And then it's got the normal connector, so this is great. I'll be able to use this here at my house and then keep the portable one in my car, or leave it down the shore, which might be nice. So can't wait to hook this up. I got to read the instructions. I am an electrical engineer, but I'm not an electrician, so I think I might be able to hook this up, but we'll have to see. So I laid out my old cable that comes with the Tesla with the new wall connector, and you can see the cable is much thicker compared to the base one. It's got to be 2 or 3 times thicker, and almost the thickness, I think, of the supercharger cables. And you can see the length here. Looks like the standard one is 20 feet and the new one is close to 25 feet. So that's how they compare. Here's a close-up of the plate. It's got the Tesla and Elon Signature on it. And then it's got this on the side, looks like a reset button. Looks like just a mounting there. And that holds the plug, and then mounting on the other side. Let me turn it over. Nothing really on the bottom. Nothing on the top. Again, the cable is really thick. You can see from there how thick it is. It's got to be 3/4 of an inch. So I got the GoPro. So my kids got me my GoPro for my 60th birthday, and what a pain. The first one I got that was off of Amazon that they ordered for me would not charge batteries, so I had to ship it back. They first shipped me a second battery. The second battery didn't work. I then had to ship this the whole GoPro back, and they just finally sent me a new one, which is now working and charging batteries. I had ordered a GoPro accessory kit, and it came with all kinds of cool things. This is the hand extender thing. This is pretty cool. I like that. Tons of little mounts, suction cup mounts. I went for the version, all kinds of connectors. I think this is for in the water. I like this one for the head. I'm going to try to play pickleball with this on my head. That should be pretty cool. And this is a wrist one for your wrist. This one's for your chest. Just all kinds of things. These accessory kits are so cheap, and you get so many different pieces. I was really just primarily looking for this and this, which I think I'm going to use, and maybe the headset or the chest set. GoPro, for the inconvenience, is going to send me... I have voice activation turned on, so anytime I do something, GoPro starts acknowledging a command. So, what was I saying? Oh, because of the... What the heck is it doing? Saving. So, because of the inconvenience, they are going to send me a clip mount. It has a clip on it that you can clip onto things, and then it has a flexible arm. So I'll show you that when it comes in. Thanks, everyone. Got another new toy. Check it out. Finally got my GoPro, and I'm going to try to use it in my first video today. So we'll see how it goes. GoPro, start recording. Hey, everyone. I got another new toy, my GoPro. So I'm going to start doing videos with my GoPro now. And got another new toy, my GoPro. My kids got it for my 60th birthday, so I'm going to start doing videos with it now. Hopefully I don't look too crazy. So I got another new toy, my GoPro. My kids got it for my 60th birthday, so I'll start doing videos with my GoPro now a lot. GoPro, start recording.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see some of my other Model 3 videos, they're here in the top right. I just created a new channel, Nick's Pickleball Life, for my pickleball adventures. The name's weird, but the game is great, and you can find games virtually everywhere. My Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram accounts are listed on the bottom right. And please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.